أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear friend, my dear viewers? I hope are you fine and are you very happy and always may Allah keep you happy. Welcome everyone. We will learn huruf muqatta'at and the mud applied to them of the most important part of tajweed. Huruf muqatta'at are the spirit letter that appear at the beginning of some surah, such as Alif, Lam, Mim, Ha. They are called huruf muqatta'at because they are read separately, not joined together with the other letters. Start from the today is kaida lesson number 3 about the huruf muqatta'at. You listen careful, don't skip this video and understand this lesson and memorize this lesson from here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, the first letter is that is called this sign mud sign. Call this sign mud sign, and mud sign is like this. And mud sign, whenever come on any letter, we need to stretch that letter 4 to 5 seconds always. So keep in your mind that is mud sign, and the mud sign always on the top, coming on the top of the letter. So whenever that letter come on any letter, we need to stretch that letter 4 to 5 seconds. Keep in your mind. So call this lesson. So call this letter mud sign. Call this letter mud sign. So, and that is huruf muqatta'at. That lesson is the huruf muqatta'at. Let's start. You listen careful. Alif lam mim. Alif lam. Next one. Alif lam mim. Alif lam mim swad. Next one. Alif lam ra. Alif lam ra. So that is standing zabar. Standing zabar. Just prolong 1 second. Alif lam ra. Next one. Alif lam mim ra. Alif lam mim ra. Next one. Kaf ha ya ain صاد. قاف ها يا عين صاد. Next one. Twaha. Waha. Just is 1 second prolong. The twa letter is prolong 1 second because on the top the twa letters standing rubber, no standing and then no much sign. Next one. Wasimim. Wasimim. Next one. Twasin. Twasin. Next one. Yasin. Yasin. That is the regular sword. 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 Next one. Hamim. Hamim. Next one, ha. Next one, ain, sin, qaf. Ain, sin, qaf. Next one, a regular qaf. Qaf, qaf. Noon, noon. So thanks for this video and subscribe my channel and see you later. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Take care.